welcome back to my channel. As you can probably hear in my voice, I am absolutely full of flu. So in this video I have just done music over the top while doing this look. I think I'm kind of channeling my Halloween inspiration. But in today's video I'm collaborating again with my beautiful friends here in my collaboration group. We are doing the colour book look. So it is on the 14th of September is National Colouring Day, so I went with a colourful clown. I think I am feeling Halloween vibes, so yeah, maybe it's a little bit too early, but this is what I've come up with. So in today's collaboration we have got Candice from Candice Hampton, Lisa the Curvy Cuban, Samantha Slaughter, Shelley from Shelley Shalaka, and myself have all come together to do bright, colourful looks from National Colouring Day. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video, guys. Like I say, I am absolutely full of flu, so I've just literally played music over the top of this video, and yeah. So I will see you guys next Saturday. So get a cup of tea, get your favourite snack, and enjoy the video, guys. And I love you lots. video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to show some love to the other ladies that are in this collaboration as well. And yeah, I will see you next Saturday. If you haven't already, please subscribe, hit the notification bell and hit that thumbs up because it helps your girl out a lot. And yeah, I think that I'm literally living my Halloween life at the moment. So yeah, I will see you next Saturday, guys. Have a good one. Bye.